and we are rolling. What's up guys, Christian here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now in this case I have my phone. This is a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The problem is that it's locked to AT&T and I use a different carrier. I use T-Mobile. So I'm going to show you how to carrier unlock your Galaxy Note 10. It's a very simple process. I have unlocked hundreds of phones before, and today I'm going to show you how to carrier unlock this Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now I have to mention a couple of things. This is a carrier unlock. This is not a passcode unlock. So if you forgot the passcode, this video is not going to help you. This is going to be a factory carrier unlocked, and once your phone is unlocked, you will be able to use it with any carrier in any country. It is as simple as that. It is a very simple process. I have unlocked many phones before, and the process is very similar to the previous phones we have unlocked. By the way, this is a paid service, so this is not a free unlock. This is the best way to unlock your phone. You only need your computer, your cell phone, in this case the Galaxy Note 10, and a SIM card. That's all you need to unlock your phone. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply dial *#06#, and as you can see here on the screen, your IMEI number will show up. This right here, guys, is the most important step. Using the IMEI number, we are going to be able to unlock this phone. Now, the next step is to go to the computer, and the rest of the process will take place in the computer. So let's go ahead and let's switch cameras. All right, guys, so we're going to go to the website unlockriver.com. The link is in the description of this video. Anyways, here we're going to unlock this smartphone. We're going to be requesting the unlock code by filling in the information right here. First, we're going to select the carrier that my phone is locked to. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T in the United States. That's where I bought it. And then I'm going to select the brand, Samsung, and then we will select the model. In this case, I'm going to be unlocking a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So you have a premium service and a normal service. The difference is the delivery time. One is faster than the other. If you scroll down, you're going to insert your phone's IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. And lastly, you're going to insert your personal email where you want to receive your unlock code. So just double check it, make sure it is 100% correct, because they will send you your unlock code to this email. If you scroll down, you're going to see the price to unlock your phone and the delivery time. In this case, it says 1 to 2 business days. That doesn't include weekends, so you have to be very patient. I'm going to hit unlock now. On the following screen, you're going to see a summary of your order. So just double check everything here. Make sure you read everything. It is 100% safe. I have done it more than 50 times. I have unlocked more than 50 phones using this method, and it works perfectly. If for some reason you get an error or it doesn't work, you will get a full refund and your order will be canceled. So it is very safe. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to place my order, and after a few hours or a few days, you will get an unlock code. So I'm going to come back once I have my unlock code ready. All right, so as you can see here, I'm going to show you my personal email, and I got this message from Unlock River. I'm going to open it, and it says your unlock code is ready. So you're going to get a message exactly like this. It says it includes instructions, and the most important part, the actual unlock code. Okay, this right here, guys, is what we need to unlock the phone. So this unlock code will only work one time for one specific phone. Now we're going to insert this code into the phone. All right, so the next step is to fully turn off your phone. So once your phone is powered off, we're going to insert a SIM card from a different carrier. So for example, my phone is locked to AT&T. In this case, I'm going to use a T-Mobile SIM card. So I'm just waiting until the phone fully powers on, and it's going to take a few seconds. And once the phone is fully on, it will detect that we have inserted a non-supported SIM card, and it will request an unlock code. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I got this message requesting an unlock code. So I have 10 attempts to insert the correct unlock code. If you get a mistake here, you can try again, or you can email them and they will send you your correct unlock code. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the code here. Alright, so now we're gonna hit unlock. SIM network unlock successful. Boom, now we have a fully unlocked smartphone. This is an AT&T phone running on T-Mobile. So it is now fully compatible in any country. It is as simple as that, guys. That's all you need to unlock your smartphone. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer all of them. Thanks so much. My name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.